I'm Lisa Pena with your SwRI Quick News. Roll out the robots. A collaborative robot, also called a cobot, showed off its smooth moves for Manufacturing Day. Manufacturing Day celebrates modern manufacturing and highlights innovations in the manufacturing industry. SwRI participates in this national event annually with demonstrations like this one. The user-friendly cobot is programmed to work safely alongside human operators. They can perform tasks like painting, welding, sanding, even heavy lifting. The cobot can also use a camera to read barcodes, and those barcodes tell it how to move. Our cobot definitely added some high-tech fun to this year's Manufacturing Day. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy seeing technology, science, and engineering in action, like, share, and subscribe.